Should we let Oscar out too, honey?
Oh.
You want Oscar to come out? Here he goes.
Baby's house.
Baby's going in the puppy's house. That's nice and clean. Oh, careful for the baby. I don't think you're gonna fit your lawnmower in there. Oh my. Okay.
Oh, bye.
Okay, bye.
It's hot.
You shut it?
It's hot.
Is this what I should do with you when I get sick of you guys? Put you in the cage? Huh? Hey Mary, what are you doing?
Oh, it's a